Welcome to the Investment and Finance Tools series. In this video, we're exploring the best investment portfolio trackers available today. These are specialized platforms that help you monitor and manage all your investments in one place. Whether you're tracking stocks, ETFs, bonds, or cryptocurrency, a good portfolio tracker can save you time and give you valuable insights into your financial performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand what these tools do, why they matter, and which ones might be right for you. Portfolio trackers are software platforms designed to monitor your investments across multiple accounts and asset classes in real time. Think of them as a unified dashboard for your financial life. Instead of logging into 5 different brokerage accounts or checking spreadsheets manually, a portfolio tracker pulls all your investment data together in one place. Key features include real-time price updates, so you always know what your investments are worth, performance analytics that show you how well you're doing, asset allocation tracking to ensure your investments are properly diversified, and multi-account management that handles everything from stocks to bonds to alternative investments. There are 6 major reasons to use a portfolio tracker. First is performance insight. You can track your returns and gains across all your investments to see exactly how much money you're making or losing. Second is asset allocation. Portfolio trackers help you monitor whether your investments are properly diversified and make it easy to rebalance when needed. Third is goal tracking. Many platforms let you set financial objectives and track your progress toward reaching them. Fourth is time saving. Instead of manually updating spreadsheets or checking multiple accounts, automation does the work for you. Fifth is tax analysis. These tools can identify tax loss harvesting opportunities that might save you money at tax time. Finally, centralization means having a unified view of all your accounts and investments so you always know your complete financial picture. Many investors still track their portfolios using spreadsheets or by checking individual broker statements. While spreadsheets offer flexibility, they're prone to errors and require constant manual updates. Dedicated portfolio trackers automate the entire process. They automatically pull data from your brokerage accounts, calculate your performance, and generate reports. Manual methods are flexible, but they're time-consuming and error-prone, especially if you have multiple accounts. Specialized tools handle all the heavy lifting for you. The key to choosing the right tracker depends on how many accounts you have and how deep your analysis needs to be. If you're just getting started with a simple portfolio, a basic free tracker might be enough. But if you're managing multiple accounts across different asset classes, a more advanced platform will pay for itself. Let's look at 3 popular portfolio tracking platforms. Stock Rover is known for advanced analytics and in-depth charting tools. It offers excellent screening capabilities, portfolio rebalancing tools, and dividend tracking. ShareSite provides global coverage with multi-currency support, comprehensive tax reporting, and integration with most major brokerages. Portfolio Visualizer focuses on backtesting, allowing you to test strategies against historical data. It includes Monte Carlo simulations to model different market scenarios, factor analysis to understand what's driving your returns, and a free tier so you can get started without paying. Here are 3 more excellent options. Koifin specializes in customizable market dashboards with real-time data and powerful tools for analyzing ETFs and funds. Kubera takes a broader approach, tracking not just investments but your entire net worth. It supports crypto and alternative assets, integrates with your bank accounts, and prioritizes privacy. Stock Rover also deserves a second mention for its impressive screening capabilities with over 650 metrics, seamless brokerage synchronization, and advanced charting that rivals professional tools. Let's compare the key features across 3 leading platforms. Stock Rover, ShareSite, and Koifin each have different strengths. Stock Rover and ShareSite both offer brokerage synchronization, so your data updates automatically. ShareSite also handles brokerage syncing. All 3 support multi-currency portfolios if you're investing internationally. For tax reporting, Stock Rover and ShareSite are strong choices with detailed tax analysis tools. Koifin doesn't focus on tax reporting. When it comes to backtesting, StockRover and Koifin both offer this feature, but ShareSite does not. StockRover and ShareSite have mobile apps so you can check your portfolio on the go. Koifin is primarily web-based without a dedicated mobile application. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right tool for your specific needs. Selecting the right portfolio tracker depends on several important factors. First, evaluate your portfolio size and complexity. A simple portfolio with just a few stocks needs less sophisticated tools, but a complex portfolio with multiple asset types benefits from advanced analytics. Second, consider what asset types you hold. Make sure your chosen platform supports everything you own, whether that's stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrency, or alternative investments. Third, think about the level of automation you want. Some platforms automatically sync with your brokers, while others require manual input. Fourth, consider your budget. Platforms range from completely free to premium subscriptions. Choose based on your financial situation and the features you need. Fifth, assess whether you need tax efficiency tools. These are essential if you have taxable investment accounts and want to optimize your tax reporting. Finally, evaluate the user interface and customer support. You'll be using this platform regularly, so it should be intuitive and easy to navigate. Now that you understand portfolio trackers and the options available, here's how to get started. First, evaluate your needs. Assess your portfolio size, the types of assets you hold, and the features that matter most to you. Second, test free trials. Most platforms offer free versions or trial periods. Sign up for a few and explore them to see which one feels right. Third, implement and monitor. Once you've chosen a platform, set up the brokerage connections and establish a regular review routine. Check your portfolio at least monthly to ensure everything is tracking correctly and to stay informed about your investment performance. Remember, the best portfolio tracker is the one you'll actually use consistently. Start today and take control of your financial future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.